Okay, so in this one, we just came over this water and then we see all this barbed wire. So we're just gonna follow this barbed wire all the way down. And I think we have quite a ways to go. And there's a lot of construction around here too. So that's, I don't know what they're doing in that spot. There's Macau Tower, but we're gonna just keep walking and we're gonna turn on the camera off and on and just show you what we can see. Let's go check out the road. Okay, I'm the content creator for this channel. If you like what I'm doing, just subscribe and hit the like button. Okay, yep, so we're following this wire, barbed wire. This is kind of, actually if you can look into here a little bit, and you can in the spot, and you won't be able to in a minute, you can see these, it's kind of like right up against the water, so people can actually land in that one spot, and there's a port there. So it's called Ponte 3. Huh. That's the Lisboa, Grand Lisboa Casino right there, the top of it. And then there's Macau Tower, and then there's a bridge to Taipa. And we're just gonna follow this this little thing with this dark purple skies up above. And these things around here, just kind of following and looking at all these cranes that are building something probably pretty cool, I hope. Usually it's been pretty cool stuff that they're building all the time these days. So we're just gonna follow that down. We're just gonna see what we can see, and while we keep walking down this path. And just for perspective, we're in the southern part of the Macau Peninsula, which would overlook Taipa, which is also part of Macau too, but they call it Taipa. So in any case, I'm gonna turn on the camera when we get down there a little bit further. We're still walking, but we're kind of coming up, there's all that cranes that you're looking at before. That's the same stuff you're looking at before. But I kind of wanted to check out this beautiful building right there because it's so amazing. And now we're getting a better view of Macau Tower. And then also the construction. This is kind of a one-way street, so we're gonna get away from the loudness. And also we can see more of the construction here. Really wish I knew what they were building. Yeah. Anyways, we're gonna be following that construction for quite a while, but turn on the camera when we get down there further. Man, there's just so many cranes in the sky right here. I'm really curious what they're doing. That's what's kind of cool about documenting everything right now. So this is the year 2020, but you know, later it'll be the year 2025, it'll be the year 2030, 2040, 2050. And people will look back and try to see what things will look like in 2020. And inside is 2020, right? And you'll see how all this stuff will fit together. So yeah, I don't even know, somebody knows, but I definitely don't know. I'm just hoping that this comes out to some way that I can continue walking. We'll find out about that too shortly. And right now I can see the depth, so that's actually quite deep. Whatever they're doing is going way underground. And this makes me really curious. I wonder if that's going to be some tunnel to China, or who, I have no clue what it could be. Oh, you know what it might be? It might even be the monorail. They might be building the train line to go through here. That could be it, because the train line is supposed to come off of one of these bridges. So this might actually be the future Macau side monorail line that's going to hook up to the Taipa side. That's most likely what it is. So that makes sense because it kind of goes all the way down that way. So this is just must be what it is. Anyways, we'll keep exploring and we'll confirm that soon. We'll end it here. Just kind of give you some closure. So see how lots more construction. They're building a whole other thing right here. And then I think this is going to go and follow the park over here, and that's going to be a whole other video. And then this is where we're basically at. So this is where we're going to end this particular one. Chiquinha, chiquinha, toma cuidado da vida.